In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit labels in Trello. Whether you're managing a personal to-do list, collaborating on a team project, or organizing tasks for your business, Trello's labels are a fantastic way to keep everything neat, clear, and easy to find. Labels allow you to visually categorize your cards, making it simple to identify priorities, track progress, or group-related tasks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create, apply, and edit labels like a pro. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.trello.com. If you're not already signed in, look for the Login button in the top right corner of the page and click on it. From there, you'll need to enter your email address or choose a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft. Enter your password and click the Login button to access your account. If your login process requires multi-factor authentication, follow the on-screen prompts to complete it. Once you're logged in, double-check that you're signed into the correct workspace. This is especially important if you manage multiple workspaces. After confirming, you'll arrive at your Trello dashboard. Here, you can find your recent or start boards for quick access. Locate the board where you want to work with labels and click on it to open it. If you have a large number of boards and can't immediately find the one you're looking for, use the search bar at the top of the dashboard to narrow it down. Now that your board is open, locate the list containing the card you want to edit and click on the card to open its details. Near the top of the card, just under the title, you'll see the Labels section. If there's a plus button visible in this area, click on it to open the Labels panel. Once the Labels panel is open, you'll see a list of existing labels. To apply a label to the card, simply click on it. The label will appear as a colored tag on the card. If you want to remove a label, just click on it again and it will be unassigned from the card. If you need to create a brand new label, select the Create a New Label option in the panel. You'll be prompted to enter a short, clear name for the label. Try to choose a name that makes its purpose obvious at a glance. Next, pick a color for the label. Make sure the color contrasts well with your board's background so it stands out. Once you've entered the name and chosen a color, click Create to save your new label. The label will now appear on the card as a colored tag. If at any point you need to make changes to an existing label, you can open the Labels panel again. From there, you can rename the label, change its color, or unassign it from the card as needed. As a tip, it's a good idea to use consistent naming and reuse labels across your cards for better organization. This helps keep your boards visually clear and makes it easier to track tasks at a glance. And that's it. You now know how to create, apply, and edit labels in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.